Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a very rare car. This is a Shinoda Boss Mustang. It's a twin turbo, stage 3. I think it's rated for 825 horsepower from Shinoda. This one's tuned at 750 horsepower. So it's a mild tune, but according to the Shinoda, you can dial it up to 1,000 horse with the right fuel. Pretty fantastic, super low miles. You know, Shinoda is the guy that invented the Boss, and he went out on his own and created this car. $886 miles on this car, brand new, level 3. So it looks like it might be number 2. Very, very low production. Short throw Hearst. Got all the original owner's manuals. We even have a spare interior, I guess came from him. Not sure how that came about. Pretty amazing. Car is like brand new. Battery relocated to the trunk. Got a car cover. And it looks like brand new leather. Shinoda adjustable wing. Have the original owner's manuals come with the car. Light window tint, stop tech brakes, 2-piece rotors up front. This prop was removed. We got it sitting on struts now. Twin turbo. Polished up too. Car is a monster. Sorry about the wind. Very rare. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. I'll talk to you in a few.